Hello, my name is Dean Kirsty, and welcome to the Infinite Skills Learning SolidWorks 2015 video training. SolidWorks is a 3D computer-aided design program that enables you to transform new ideas into great products. It runs on a Microsoft Windows platform and is used by engineers and designers throughout the world. If you have little to no experience in SolidWorks, this video is for you. On the other hand, if you are familiar with the basics of SolidWorks, the lessons covered are a great way to reinforce what you already know and to gain some additional experience. In this video, most of the lessons are recorded in SolidWorks 2014. However, all new fundamental commands available in the SolidWorks 2015 software have been recorded in the appropriate version. After completing the lessons in this video, you will be well versed in SolidWorks 2015 fundamentals. From parts, to assemblies, to drawings. The fundamentals covered in this video will not only start you down an exciting path in creating parts, assemblies, and drawings, I am sure it will spark an interest to learn more about SolidWorks functionality and capabilities. To give you an idea of the power of this software, SolidWorks can simplify large assemblies that contain more than 100,000 parts. In addition, SolidWorks has built-in weldment functionality that enables you to design a weldment structure along with sheet metal tools that allow you to design sheet metal parts and enclosures with ease. You can also design molds, plastic and cast parts, along with routing electrical cables and harnesses. While this is not an all-inclusive list of SolidWorks capabilities, it does give you an idea of the power of the software. To wrap up this introduction, I would like to welcome you to the Learning SolidWorks 2015 Infinite Skills training video. I am confident after you view the lessons in this video, you will be proficient in SolidWorks 2015. From my experience in teaching hundreds of students the SolidWorks software, once you learn the SolidWorks fundamentals, you will have a desire to expand your knowledge of the SolidWorks software. Let's conclude this introduction and get started in learning SolidWorks 2015.